Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. So let's do a New Year's Day eyeshadow look, guys. So yesterday I did a New Year's Eve one, and I think it's going to be really similar because it's the Goddess Gold Colourpop palette. I mean, it's pretty much all golds, right? This autumn one's nice though. It would look completely different to the look I did of Gold Star yesterday. I'll put that in this video. It is on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know. But they've got so many pretty golds. I think I'm going to have to use this just to do something different. Let's have a look. So that would look like that. Let's do a swatch. Maybe we could put some like gold in the centre and then most of this on the lid. I mean, they both have two types of gold. It's not like... I mean, that one's just more bronzy. Let's see what we can create then. Or what I can create and you're coming along for the ride. We used Trooper yesterday. I didn't film this look, so I thought I'd film this look. So I think this time we'll go in with State of Mind. State of Mind, I thought I'd got it wrong. I don't know why. Is this brush? Nothing on it. Okay, so this is the BK Beauty 212 that Amy kindly sent me. So we're going in with State of Mind. Okay. So normally I come on with one eye done, but I don't know what I'm doing. So we can do them both together. Or I might even just decide to show you how I create this eye. And then... I don't think it'll take too long to do. Put some of that in the outer V. So if I haven't already said it, Happy New Year, guys. New Year's Day as I'm filming this. Yeah, we'll do the other eye as well. Yesterday I did a mix of Bold Rush and Big Brooch, or Big Brooch. No, it's not Brooch, that is it, it's Big Brooch. I think I'll just use a Bold Rush this time. I'm going to use the same brush I used yesterday, but I need to take the colour off it. Okay, that should do it. So again, it's just this one here. This is a perfect palette for Christmas, especially for that New Year's Eve, New Year's Day eye look. Right, so I'm starting off in the outer corner and then putting it through the crease a little bit. But as you can see, I'm just tapping. I'm not swiping. I just feel like it looks better if I tap. And I've not used this palette in ages. Like, I've probably only used it once since I bought it, and I probably have had it 2 years now. See, most of these palettes, this is why I want to go on a no-buy as well. Most of these palettes have only been used for videos to do reviews on them. And I'm not a big channel, you know, I'm not the kind of like humongous channel that anyone gives a crap about what I have to say. And that's fine. People will go to other channels and like that girl Shay XO, she does a lot of, or she used to, I think she's gone back to work now, but she does a lot of like Colourpop kind of eyeshadow swatches, doesn't she? People will be more interested in her than what I've got to say about a particular palette, I'm sure. So yeah, I just wanted to rant about that. And this is why I just decided I'm not going to bring as much in 2024. Well, I'm not bringing anything until November. And, you know, there's things that are sparking my interest. You know, I'm of that mindset where I can say no to those things. No, this one looks like it's breaking, Golden Touch. I might use that along with Team, just to see. It is a glitter though as well, so let's get some Oh, that's prime view. Let's get some W7 Sparkle Slay on. It's really struggling to come out now, you know. I'm gonna have to bend it over a little bit. Whoops, way too much has come out now. Because I like bent it over a little bit. All that's come out. That's way too much. Let's put a little bit more on this eye. Because I felt like I didn't get enough. Right, let's put the eyeliner on. So, the Goss, the Essential Eye Core Pencil in Precious Opal. Sorry, I should come closer. I feel like tight lining, but it's really, really watery in my eye. Yeah, we'll leave that for another day. Okay. Okay, right, what are we doing first? I think we're going to go in with O-Team first because I want this to be the dominant colour. I think they're both glitters, actually. O-Team, no, O-Team isn't. What's the other shade called? Golden Touch. Golden Touch is, it's got an asterisk by it. So apply it at your own risk. And I'm glad they've stopped doing them now. Right, so barely anything's coming on the brush. So, yeah, it's going to be in with the fingers. O-Team's doing that as well, where it's kind of breaking a little bit. Right, let's pat it. Now, this does look like a glitter, if you ask me. So I'm just going in with a little bit to begin with, and then we'll just keep putting more and more on, depending on... See, if I only put a thin layer on, it'll be easier to get off, that's the thing. Right, I'm going to go to about there, and then we'll put the other shade here. Let's do the other eye, though, first. I think O-Team is a Super Shock, but it's got glitter in it. I'm not actually sure, though, to be honest. Maybe I can look that up. Yeah, it's literally going everywhere. It feels like... Doesn't feel like a glitter, but it's performing like one. Let's try this brush for that yellow gold shade. So... It's called Golden Touch, that one there. That's the one I want to put kind of in the inner corner. I want it to meet this O-Team shade. I'm just going to stamp it on using this brush. And I'm hoping it's going to work. It seems to have gone on that brush a lot better. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Like, it doesn't look like it in the pan, but it's got all these different specks of gold glitter in it. Part of me feels like just putting that all over the eye, but I did a really gold look yesterday, so I don't really want to do it again. I have to do it. It's going to look the same, that's the only thing. Let me do the inner corner and let me think about this. Inner corner highlight is going to be 24K, what we used yesterday. That's stunning as well. Right. I don't know, guys. I bet you sat there behind the camera saying, do it, do it. Maybe some in the centre. Take this into the centre a bit. I'm just going to do it. So what if it looks similar to what I used yesterday? It's going to look lighter. It's way lighter than what I used yesterday. And I'm not putting as much on, so you can still see the bronzy shade underneath, she says. Who are you trying to convince? I really, really like that. So mascaras, just the usual. So we're going to go in with the Quibest Sky High first. If you can hold it the right way around. I'm probably going to have trouble getting the glitters off later though. I'll put the e.l.f. Lash and Roll on as well. So that's that. And I've got this lipstick. This is the lipstick I used yesterday. I may as well use it again. I think it would go really, really nicely with this look. So it's a NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lipstick. It's in Kitten Heels. Really, really beautiful red. I actually think I like this look better than the look I created yesterday. So what I'll do, I'll add the picture of the look that I created somewhere around here, and you can tell me which look you like the best. I'll come forward in a minute and really give you an overview of the eyes. I wish you could see these glitters in that gold. You can, I mean, it's absolutely stunning. I might just put a little bit more on. No, you're not seeing it. It's like a yellow gold with orange glitters in it. That's what I'm seeing. And it is just stunning. So that's the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like. It really does help my small channel grow, and I massively appreciate that as well. Share and comment. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to welcome you to the little fam, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.